Primetime news this evening. Push for males to be accounted for by law in rape cases. Bullies attack and injure 15-year-old high school student. And pastor who fainted at policeman's funeral speaks.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. And coming up in business news, Caribbean and African leaders reach agreement which could see improvements in trade.
And of course, Jizzy, we also have the business report coming up. What do we have coming up this evening?
Exactly what I read a while ago about trade with the African countries.
Oh my God, I'm just not used to being in this position. But anyway, exciting developments in the world of sports. And Jermaine Brown is here with a preview. Jerry?
Well, thank you, Janella. Well, all day the talk has been about Leon Bailey and the Reggae Boys Copa America team, and that team has been left unsettled after Leon Bailey withdrew from the squad after a big announcement on Wednesday. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Exciting times, and for a look at what's happening with the weather, here's Romaine Robinson.
Thanks, Andrew. We know we have some clouds across sections of eastern parishes this evening, which should linger into tonight. We're also expecting some showers in the afternoon tomorrow across sections of the west.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what do you make of the demands by Jamaican footballer Leon Bailey for first-class flights, private security, and his own room in order for him to return to the Reggae Boys squad? I know a lot of people will be commenting on that, so share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and on X at TVJ News Center. Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.